The Forgetting Time House, a 14,000 square foot residence in Singapore designed by Wallflower Architecture Design, is conceived as a sanctuary where one can forget time and embrace mindful, balanced living amidst nature. The architectural centerpiece is a biophilic central courtyard, elegantly planted with frangipani trees on every level, creating a serene connection between interior spaces and the lush outdoors. This approach exemplifies biophilic design, integrating greenery as an essential part of daily life. Full-height glass doors seamlessly connect indoor and outdoor areas, flooding the home with natural light and fresh breezes. The result is an airy, open atmosphere that blurs the boundaries between the house, the garden, and the swimming pool. Carefully selected materials, timber screens and travertine stone, add warmth and tactile richness, reinforcing the home's natural character. Spatial organization is balanced between openness and privacy. Second-floor rooms maintain visual links to the courtyard through timber sun screens, offering a sense of openness while preserving tranquility. The travertine staircase leads to a discreet private study at the top, surrounded by greenery for contemplation and focus. The core concept of the Forgetting Time House is to provide a retreat from urban chaos, allowing residents to slow down, live mindfully, and appreciate the beauty of nature every day. If you enjoyed this architectural analysis and are inspired by beautiful homes like this, please like, subscribe, and follow An Architect's Tale for more insightful content in the future.